Hey, what's up, Tron coin holders? So what's going on this time, my friends? The Tron coin is completely on the profit, you will see, or otherwise all crypto market is uncomfortable. And my friends, this coin also need a price prediction, so we will going to price predicate this coin, my friend. But kindly holder, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and after that press the bell icon for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. So you can see here the change occurring is going positive 3.24 USD dollar. Kindly holders, if they were fails down, so does not mean to you are starting selling. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends. To when they were fails down, definitely they are starting selling. So don't, this is absolutely 100% wrong decision. Kindly don't starting selling, you will need to hold. If you are starting selling, then remember you will never get a profit and you will miss the chance of profit. So don't miss this chance, please take a risk and get 100% profit. I am 100% sure, my friends, so this is very risky, so you will hold in this time. But absolutely, if you are starting trading, then absolutely you will take a first risk, and after that, my friend, you will never need to upgrade. Don't stop your upgrading, my friend. Absolutely, if they were fails down, does not mean to you will lost. Absolutely, after a short fails, if you are wait, so I'm 100% sure they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, then absolutely you will miss the chance of profit. So don't miss this chance, please don't do this mistake. You are starting selling, because you know, my friends, Tron is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will get a profit. And you can see, my friend, from last 3 days they will get a profit, but from last 24 hours they are lost. So this is temporary pumps and dumps, my friends, jumps and dumps. You can see here, don't worry. Absolutely, after this dump, I am 100% sure they will also get a profit. As you can see here, my friend, after this fail, they will again starting moving slowly moving upward. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will move upward, but for that you will need to just and only hold up. If you are starting holding, so I'm 100% sure in upcoming time Tron will give you a profit. All right, my viewers, my subscriber, hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video, and my prediction is going positive. My opinion is for all of you to hold on. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care.